Ready to conquer the Australian e-commerce landscape with your own Shopify store? Let's dive in. First things first, head over to Shopify and sign up for your free trial. It's your gateway to building a professional online store, no matter your business size. Once you're in, the core of your Australian success lies in your settings. Navigate to the settings menu, and within that, we'll focus on two crucial areas: payments and shipping. For payments, Shopify's building Shopify Payments is fantastic. But for a truly Australian-centric experience, you'll want to integrate popular local gateways. Think about options like Stripe, PayPal, or even specific Australian payment solutions that resonate with your target audience. This ensures your Aussie customers can pay conveniently and securely using their preferred methods. Now, let's talk shipping. This is where catering to Australian shoppers really shines. Define your shipping zones. With Australia being your primary focus, explore options for flat rate shipping, weight-based rates, or even free shipping thresholds that encourage purchases. Consider integrating with Australian postal services and couriers for reliable and cost-effective delivery across the country. Beyond the technical setup, tailoring your store's presentation and marketing is vital. Showcase products that resonate with Australian lifestyles and preferences. Think about local holidays, popular trends, and what your Australian customers are actively searching for. Marketing to Australians means speaking their language. Utilize Australian-focused social media campaigns. Target your ads to this demographic. And consider local influencer collaborations. Email marketing with a distinctly Australian flavor can also be incredibly effective in building customer loyalty. By focusing on these key elements: local payment solutions, robust Australian shipping, and market-specific marketing, you're setting your Shopify store up for a genuine and successful launch in the Australian e-commerce arena. So go ahead, build your dream store, and start selling to the incredible Australian market today.